Hello, today we will be talking about the motility in bacteria and how is it possible. So, one of the most important reasons for motility in bacteria is the presence of flagella. So, based on where and how many flagella are present on the body of the bacterium, the bacteria are classified as monotrichous when there is a single flagellum at the end, as we see here in this particular picture. Then, when there is a tuft of flagella, we call it lophotrichous. And when these tufts of flagella are present on both ends of the bacterium, we call it as amphitrichous. And then we have the flagella all over the body of the bacterium, then we call it as peritrichous bacteria. So this particular type of bacterial flagellation results in the tumbling movement of the bacteria.